definitions of special and inclusive education. So the first question, the capacity to perceive the visual spatial world accurately and to perform transformation upon these perceptions. Letter A, spatial intelligence. B, existential intelligence. C, bodily kinesthetic intelligence. And D, naturalistic intelligence. So, yan silang tanan kay mga multiple intelligence theory ni Gardner. So, that is ani kinailangan ang Gardner theory of multiple intelligences. So, naturalistic intelligence is understanding living things and reading nature. Spatial intelligence is visualizing the world in 3D. Musical intelligence is discerning sounds, their pitch, tone, rhythm, and timbre. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence is coordinating your mind with your body. Linguistic intelligence is finding the right word to express what you mean. So the interpersonal intelligence also understanding yourself, what you want, and what you feel. Logical mathematical intelligence is quantifying things, making hypotheses, and proving them. Interpersonal intelligence is sensing people's feelings and motivates. So, sa kanina choices, ang best na to i-answer is the spatial intelligence kaya nag-talk man siya about sa visual spatial world accurate. So, the answer will be letter A. Next is, it is known as the deletion of chromosome 15. Letter A, Prader-Willi syndrome. B, Down syndrome. C, Angelman syndrome. D, Williams syndrome. So, ato sang gilailangan si Angelman syndrome. It is caused by a genetic mutation in chromosome 15. The name of this gene is UBE3A. Normally, people inherit one copy of the gene from each parent and both copies become active in many areas in the body. So, the Angelman syndrome occurs when only one copy of the gene is active in certain areas of the brain. So, it's either sa mama nga gene or sa papa nga gene. Next is the Prader-Willi syndrome. Occurs because certain paternal genes that should be expressed aren't. Because paternal genes on chromosome 15 are missing. So, ang paternal genes ko na sa chromosome 15 kay nawala. So, Down syndrome, also known as the trisomy 21, is a genetic condition caused by an extra chromosome. Most baby inherit 23 chromosomes from each parent for a total of 46 chromosomes. Babies with Down syndrome, however, end up with 3 chromosomes at position 21 instead of the usual pair. So last is the Williams syndrome. It is caused by a partial deletion of 28 genes on chromosome 7. This means that a section of genetic material on chromosome 7 is missing. It is believed that some of these genes are involved in the production of elastin. So, ang kaning Williams syndrome ay hindi siya pwede ma-answer ito kay ang iyang mag-focusan is ang chromosome 7. And also the Down syndrome, which is ang hindi ko mag-focusan is katong 23 chromosomes. So naana sa duha sa Prader-Willi o sa Angelman syndrome. So the answer is letter A, the Prader-Willi syndrome. So next is, it is an act providing for the rehabilitation, self-development, and self-reliance of disabled person and their integration to the mainstream society and for other purposes known as Magna Carta for disabled persons. So naan din mga Republic Act 7277, Republic Act 7722, Republic Act 7272, Republic Act 2277. So asa kanina diri ang nag-talk about sa Magna Carta for disabled persons. So the answer would be letter A. So the Republic Act 7277, or the act providing for the rehabilitation, self-development, and self-reliance of disabled person and the integration of the mainstream society and for other purposes. So, answer will be the letter A. So, next question, a movement disorder caused by problems in the brain. So, kanina silang choices is Ganito ng choices is movement ni siya or mga problem ni siya sa brain. A. Ataxia, B. Amnesia, C. Chorea, D. Dystonia. So, kaning sila is, ang kaning amnesia is kana naman pagkawala sa memory. So, the answer will be the ataxia. Dayon, last is, it means part of the school regardless of their strengths of witnesses because of community. So, naatay, inclusive education, special education, modified curriculum, DM assessment. So, ang sa kuno ang kaning means kuno part of the school regardless sa imong strengths or sa weaknesses nimo, then maka-feel ka og comfort or community sa kanang school. So, diri ang answer which is inclusive education. So, kaning inclusive education is nag-talk ni siya if ever ka na ang dawat, ikaw nga student is dawat ka sa school, bisan regardless sa imo ang mga disabilities or the capacity nimo, mga learnings, and also sa imo mga strengths and weaknesses. So, that's all. Thank you.